welcome to my channel. Today, what day it is on your quarantine day? Today is Monday. Is it Monday? Yeah. It's been about a week since I've been, trapped inside my house. Not really, because I've gone out and come back right quick. And I've stayed within 6 feet from the previous person in front of me, I think. Well, I've taken my precautions. But here we are with another video. I decided to make a different kind of video today because, what the heck, I have the time. So let's just do this, okay? I was looking at my stories, and one of my friends is doing them, so I then decided to look into YouTube, and oh my god, there's so many people making masks. So I decided to go ahead and do them, just like this woman over here. She is doing this kind of mask with the elastics. I'm like, oh, that looks pretty simple. Let me find the elastic. Well, let me tell you, if you think we're in a shortage of paper towels and toilet paper, now this is the new thing. There's no elastics. No elastics anywhere. I went to Walmart, I went to Hobby Lobby, I went to Michael's, I went to the dollar store, I went to Amazon. They're gone. Like, nowhere to be found. So, if you didn't think that there was a shortage in elastic, there is. So if you are like me, trying to figure out how to get in this masking thing, this is what I end up doing. Now, this took me a few tries because this is the first one. I did it, and then I did a little hole, but then the elastic that I found is this thin one, and yeah, you can't do that. I don't know, I didn't think he was going to be able to, but after trying to figure out how to make this, I decided that I was going to buy this ribbon, and I was going to use it in this way. So my mask goes, see, it opens up, it closes up, so you can use it this way. You go ahead and tie it up over here. Caramba. And then once you're gonna tie it over here, and that's what you do. Now you have yourself a mask. Yep. I made these. Pretty simple. Yeah, it took me a few tries. Like I said, that was hold on. This was the first one I tried. No, it was not. It was this one. And you know how I came up with this material? Out of sheet. Because I didn't have anything. See how awful is this? I was trying to figure out how to do it. And like I said, I do not do this. I don't sew. I try to learn from my mother. My mother is a Mennonite. So they sew and sew and sew and sew. But I didn't have the patience. So anyways, I did this. On the next few clips, I'm going to show you what you're going to need to make your face mask. Hold on. Okay, in Walmart you can find these pre-cut materials. They're like 97 cents, I believe. This one is about this big, and what I did, I folded it this way, and then what I did, I cut over here. So now we're gonna go ahead and cut this. And to kind of give give you an idea of the measurements here, I thought I had a measuring tape. Because this ruler, I don't think, oh yeah, okay. So, this is 11 by 9. 11 by 9. I think out there you can find this to be a little bit smaller. I think it was like 6 by 9 somebody was doing. So they were doing this way by 6. That's why it's not as big as mine. But anyways, mine are 11 by 9. Okay, so once you have it all cut, you go ahead and attach all these sides. Make sure you leave a hole so you can just put it, you know, the right way. Give me 1 second. Okay, once you have all these sides attached, you're just gonna go ahead and turn it around. Okay, I know some of the masks there are out there they're doing out there for the, what is it called, for the hospitals. I believe there are some people making them for the hospital. They are making it with a little pouch so they can put a filter on. You know, there is a way of doing it that way, but I just, you know, I'm just doing because, like I said, I know I can do this, so I'm gonna do it. Now this side over here, I'm just gonna go ahead and close down with some stitching with the sewing machine. Hold on. Okay, so now all the sides are now closed. Okay, what I'm going to do now, ooh, what happened here? Let me just cut that. Just gonna cut them. So before I even fold it this way to make it look like my other one, I am going to go ahead and cut the ribbon. Okay, so now this ribbon, it's about, let's see, how long? Yeah, long. I'm gonna go ahead and measure it as soon as I cut it. Let me cut it here. Okay. See, this is the reason I wanted to have the measuring tape. Hold on a second. Let me go get the measuring tape. Now I have the measuring tape. I gotta use this one. Let's see. 33 inches. Yeah, 33 inches long. 33 inches long. So you cut the other side. Now I'm going to go ahead and iron these sides so they can be as flat as I can have them, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have already ironed the piece of cloth, we're going to go ahead, fold it so you know where's the middle. Okay, so that will be right there. And now to make it easier on you, you just want to go ahead and pin these ones. Okay, so let's start with pinning the middle so we don't miss the middle of it. Okay, so now we know that that's the middle. Now I want to make sure that I am actually doing it halfway. So there we go, and we go ahead and pin it. Don't want to do it too on the edge. Oosh, I'll pin myself. Uy, carajo. I'm afraid that I'm gonna, there we go. So do this all the way down. If you think you can just hold it as you sew it, you can do that. But if you feel more comfortable just pinning all the way through, you can just go ahead and do that. Okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and we'll be to the next step. So now that we have both of the sides with a ribbon, we're gonna go ahead and fold them just like the other one. You go this way, and then you go, so about 3. Okay? And to make sure that they stay there, I'm going to go ahead and iron that and then go ahead and stitch them. Okay? See how I did my face mask. Okay? So now you see it's very easy to do. You can do it yourself at home. This way, when you have it so close together, when you put it on, it's a little bit more fitting for your face, and then you can tie it however you want. Okay? So if you have any questions, leave me a comment. It was fun to know that I was able to come up with this. And yeah, I have one for my husband, one for myself, and I'm going to go ahead and do one for my kids for just in case. That way I have it and I don't have to go searching for one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on another video, and maybe a makeup video. Yeah, most likely. Cheers. Bye.